Quick disclaimer, this video does contain swearing because I am very angry. So if you don't like it, turn it off now. What's up guys, it's your boy HA, and today this isn't a very fun video. I am fuming. So I've been working on the M4 for the last couple of weeks, trying to get it ready for D-Max, and it's been stressful to say the least. And then today, everything comes together. I've took it out for a drive this morning. I've actually got footage of me taking it for a drive. It's going perfectly. And then last job I need to do is get it MOT'd and get the headlight coded, because I've had 3 new modules put on that headlight, and obviously when you get the new modules on the headlight you have to get them coded to BMW. So I've arranged with a guy to get it done. It was all going sweet, and then somebody said, oh, there's a fella around the corner of your yard who might be able to do it for a lot cheaper. Obviously I was skeptical because I wasn't sure, but anyway I've took it round there and he's plugged his computer in and said, yeah, it looks like something I'll be able to do. So I thought, fucking brilliant. So anyway, 10 minutes later he said, I can't actually do it, the codes aren't coming off right, blah blah blah, loads of shit. I don't really understand it. It's not something I really look into, but he's got his thing plugged into the OBD. I've got no problem. He said I don't want any money for it, obviously, because he's done fuck all. He shouldn't get paid anyway. And I've turned my car on, and then every single light on my dashboard has come on. ABS, brake light, fucking engine management, seat belt restraints, airbag lights, the handbrake light won't come off, and the speedo stopped working. So obviously, whatever he's done in that space of time, he hasn't done the headlight, he's fucked the rest of the car. So now the steering wheel doesn't turn, ABS is completely shut off to the car, and everything else is fucked as well. So I've said to him, just whatever you've done, do the opposite and fucking get it back to normal. He's tried to do it, it's not working, and then he started saying it's the fuses, it might be the fuses. It's not the fucking fuses, it's nothing to do with the fuses. The fuses haven't blown, we've checked all the fuses. It's something to do with what he's done to it. And I keep saying that, it's what you've done. And then he goes, oh no, blah blah blah. More excuses. He said, oh, you've got to take it out for a drive. So we've dragged the steering wheel around, took it out for a drive. He said, once you get it to 30 miles an hour, it'll reset. Right, I'm not thick, I knew it wouldn't reset. So it hasn't reset. And the car's sat around there, it's been sat around there since 1 o'clock, and what is it now? It's 5:30. And I haven't done anything I wanted to do today. I had so much planned, so much content for you guys. This week was supposed to go so well, and I'm still fucking sat here 4.5 hours later with the car's not even working. It's supposed to get MOT today, it's supposed to be wrapped tomorrow, and I can't even move it. I am seething, I am fucking fuming, and I'm not one to get angry normally. I don't get angry. You can ask anybody around me, I don't get angry. I am fucking fuming. I'm pissed off. Like, if you can't do it, just say you can't fucking do it. Don't start doing it and then tell me and break my fucking car. So what I've done is I've called up my guy who was supposed to do it anyway. He's not very happy that I've had somebody else touch it, which fair enough. You don't want to sort out anybody else's mess. I don't fucking want to touch somebody else's mess. He's going to come tomorrow and have a look at it, but he said, worst case scenario, he could have wiped some of the data off of your car, and it has to go back to BMW, to the factory, to get recoded. And he used the example, like, say you get a computer on your Mac, somebody takes Safari off of your computer, they completely wipe the data off. You can't just re-download Safari back on the computer, it's fucked. So you have to take it back to Apple, they have to redo it all, and yeah, basically like that. So the ECU in the car might be blank at a point. But he said, best case scenario, he can just recode the headlight and then put the do all the software and do that. So I'm at a bit of a crossroads now, because it's just thrown all my plans out the window. I can't do the content I want to do. I can't even get, like, what am I supposed to do? And the geezer's apologetic, fair enough. I mean, I'd be pissed off if it was, like, it's not just an old piece of shit, is it? It's a BMW M4, it's a 30 grand car, and it's, at the moment, useless. But what I'm confused about, anybody out there who knows how coding and OBDs work, I know how OBDs work because you put them in the OBD pool, you can diagnose an issue. But anybody knows how you can plug an OBD in to do a headlight and end up fucking the rest of the car. Like, I've never ever heard somebody turning every single light on the dash. Like, the reason you put an OBD in is to turn the fucking lights off, not to put them on. So, I've got him coming tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow afternoon to have a look at it, but I'm going to have to run it down the boys at the wrap shop because they're going to have to get started on it. They might not need it till Friday morning now. I'll speak to them, but then they've still only got Friday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. What's that? Friday, Monday. That's 5 days, so 5 days should be enough to get it through. Obviously I've got people who sponsored the D-Max car, so it's got to be wrapped. But what I don't want to happen is wrap the car and then I can't even take it because it needs to be coded. So Who knows what I'm going to do. I've got a lot of thinking to do tonight, and I was going to show you my new power hand. Look, it's pan over there, look, it's over there, it's working, and it's fucking amazing. But I just can't, because I'm just not in the right headspace to do that at the moment. I've got so much else on my brain that I need to sort out. I filmed the video yesterday, sort of half filmed it, which I can't release yet because I can't film the rest of it because the BMW's not done. What I don't want is this to spiral out with an argument between me and this guy, because you don't get anything sorted whilst you're arguing. When you argue with people, all you do is piss them off more and piss yourself off more. So I'm trying not to let my anger come out into conversation with him, but I'm so fucking fuming that it's hard. It's really hard to try and switch that off sometimes. So I'm just going to forget about it today. I'm going to forget about filming for today. I'm probably going to put this video out whenever is it tomorrow. And the next video I post will be when everything is sorted and I've got some clarity, because I've just got some bits I need to sort out off of YouTube at the moment. And that's where I'm at. So I hope you guys are having a much better fucking week than I am. And if you're not, then fucking hell, I feel sorry for you, because my week is fucking shit. Sorry for the swearing in this video, and if your children are watching, I'll put a disclaimer at the start of the video that there will be swearing. My channel is an adult child channel, and look, everybody swears, don't they? So fuck it, why not? Yeah, that is enough for today. I'm going to go around there now and try and sort some more stuff out. Fucking hell, see you later. See you later.